And thanks for joining us again. Nigeria has issued a convention travel document to 122 refugees residing in the country.
This move is in fulfillment of the 1951 United Nations Convention that allows refugees to travel outside the territory they reside. The event, organized by the National Commission for Migrant Refugees and Internally Displaced in Abuja, was also to launch the refugee travel document in the country. Moyo Thomas tells us more.
According to the 1951 Refugee Convention, refugees and asylum seekers have rights and there are obligations from countries where they reside. One of such obligations is the issuance of travel documents to deserving refugees. The documents will enable them travel to other countries either for family reunion, business or education purposes. The Commissioner for National Commission for Migrants, Refugees and Internally Displaced says the document is International Civil Aviation Organization compliant, machine readable, and serves as a passport to recipients. She further explains the production processes of the convention travel document.
A refugee or an asylum seeker comes into the country, he's being documented, then he goes through the interviews. And once he's considered eligible for giving the refugee status, we give him the refugee status. After which now we process this conventional travel document.
One of the recipients who could not contain her joy was Marina Kingoyan, a dental surgeon based in Bauchi State, originally from Georgia and married to a Congolese. They settled in Nigeria 37 years ago as her husband was on exile from his country. But getting out of Nigeria has been Herculean for her since her papers expired.
I got to Nigeria very long ago. I followed my husband, who was a political exile from DRC. We couldn't go back there, both of us doctors. So I actually came to Nigeria 37 years ago. But 6-7 years ago, I found myself without passport. And my husband died, so I was without passport, without my Georgian passport, because Soviet Union stopped existing, so from one problem to another, and I applied to United Nations, and today I'm a holder of this passport.
Other recipients and beneficiaries were originally from Chad, Congo, Turkey, Syria, Central African Republic, Sudan and Cameroon. The issuance of this conventional travel document is a fundamental human right as contained in Article 13 of the Declaration of Human Rights that says everyone has a right to leave any country and his country and to return to any country and his country anytime. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.